sketchy. Which way should we go in?
Look to the right. Holy shit, this place collapsed.
Here, that's how we gotta get over there. You gotta go on this roof. Wanna go first?
Ah. Oh, they never pulled the wires.
Like a little furnace. What is this thing? It must be some sort of furnace or a time machine. Get in there. Get in there. Let's see where we're gonna take you. What are you doing?
Fucking, I want to take that dump trailer. You should go in.
I think I found a time machine. Gotta get a little help here. Dude, look at this stairwell. You could tell this place is like really falling apart. Like this place has been abandoned for a very long time. Just by like, look at
the roof.
Where did the stairs even go to? There's like, the roof's done. The roof literally melted away.
Corroded.
Acid rain, bro. Over thousands of years.
Thousands of years. This has only been a couple.
I'm kidding. Is it heli for us? I do want to try to get on the roof. Not on that roof, like over here. Like above us right here is cement.
Look at the gears.
Some old equipment.
Bro, look at this barrel.
What's in there? Ugh. Whatever's in there is probably cancerous. That way looks sick. That looks like a video game that way. Come look at this.
Bro, this place is old.
Turn this light off. Doesn't it look like a video game that way?
Yeah.
Oh, that's how. Hold on, let's see. I'm gonna walk up on this. Just collapse the roof. Yeah, look at right there. Fell through. I'll be alright. You just gotta know where to step, bro. It doesn't really lead anywhere. Oh, there's a doorway right here, though. Yeah, just hop through there.
Alright, go first.
You go first.
You have to test it out. Where the heavy is here.
Big jump. These barrels aren't too bad. This is Mac. Yeah, that's what he said. Wonder what this place was. Not even up on the cement part. It's open over here. Come look at this.
Who put that there?
What is it?
The grass cutter for a patchwork for like a trailer, a tractor.
Should I be on some parkour shit? Okay, I think I found a way up. Let's see how this looks. Don't wake up any beehives or something. I'm gonna. I don't know. Fuck, I can't even squeeze through this. Oh. Hopefully this floor is sturdy. This place was falling apart. Yeah, I just hope this is sturdy. But it feels like it is. That's the room I was just in. Yeah, I wonder what this place used to be. I think my friend told me, but I forgot. There probably used to be some sort of ladder that would let you up right here. Like that shit's gone. They probably didn't want people coming up here. I wonder if I get down right here. This is sturdy. I think this is how I'm gonna get down. Climb down to that. Here. Saw feels pretty sturdy. There's some stuff in here still. Shit's filled to the brim. It smells a little bit. Hey, yo! This is cool. Hopefully my butt doesn't get too dirty. Wonder what these dudes is at. Oh. What is that red shit? Alright, hopefully this way down is not too bad. So, just gonna do this. This feels sturdy. Just, this is like a collapsed roof we're walking on right now. I don't want to try it. You just gotta step on in the middle. You know what I mean? Like, in the middle where the posts are, just feel for it. Like you'll know when you step around. Yeah, and then I'm on the next one. And then the next one's right here. And the one after this is like, so do something like this when you come down. And then right here, we can just hop on down. Oh, a little rabbit. Came flying out. Step down either onto the barrel and then down onto the floor.
You see an owl up there, Mason?
An owl? No.
You can hear that owl?
No. Good. You want to see how I got down?
A tree?
Yeah. I got down right here.
So here's how I would get up there if I went up there again.
And right here, you just climb up. This. I mean, yeah, not gonna lie, it is a little hard. Alright, that place was cool. What do you guys think? Pretty sick?
This place is old as fuck.
This place is old. This place has been abandoned for a while, I bet. Alright. On to the next spot.
Tell me he owes you gas money.
For real. We made it. This is our next abandoned spot. We go inside the silo, but we gotta walk around the other side.
This puny ass silo.
Right? Little dinosaur. But I love small time bandos. I wonder if there's like a way right here. Should I climb up?
Hell yeah.
Should
I'm
I?
up there. It's safe.
Oh, so sketchy. You can make it.
That ain't sketchy, bitch.
I'll do it after.
I don't know, it just feels like,
You're a bitch.
it just feels like it's like, I don't know how sturdy it is.
Looks pretty sturdy.
No, it's sturdy so far.
Now sit on top, yeah.
Go on the outside. Woo! This is a sketch.
Oh, fuck this.
Go a little higher, see how high you get.
Fuck no.
Just jump.
Hell no.
Gotta walk around the barbed wire.
Look. I'm walking in.
He's always watching. Let's get out of here. Dude, I didn't see their house, I wouldn't even went in. Let's go.
Mason, do not go on this.